Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to load the data from CSV file to MySQL. It's like bulk loading we are going to do. So here, mainly we are going to concentrate on, okay. So we do have a CSV file. From CSV file, it contains, you can assume there are 500 records. I want to load this data into MySQL DB, okay. So here, if there are 500 records, if you want to prepare an SQL statement, at least it will take 1 hour of time. Okay, 1 hour, because we need to edit the data and we need to organize the data and everything. But here, how we can do it within 1 minute? Okay, within 1 minute of time. So how we can load this? This is what we are going to learn. Okay, it's very important. Just see it in a practical mode. So this is my data. Okay, this is my data. Suppose in order to prepare SQL statements, okay, see here, this is my table name called loan payment, loan ID. Okay, so these are the fields it is available. Okay, now suppose insert into loan payment. You know already how to write the query. Okay, how to write the query for insertion. So it's very simple. Insert into loan payment. The columns, what are the columns it is available? Just you need to copy here. Okay, it's very important. Just you need to copy and provide the comma here. See, each and every column, just you need to provide single comma. So okay, age, education, gender. Now, so these are my column names. Then what are the values you need to insert? Okay, what are the values you are going to insert? It's very important. Just keep it as values. Just keep it as values. Then copy this data. See here. So everything you need to organize. Okay. So if it is varchar, then you need to provide everything in a single quotes. Okay, single quotes. Then comma. Okay, everything I have given as varchar apart from age. Then what we can do is single quotes, come over here, single quotes and comma. See, before going to solve the problem, just try to understand for one column, I mean for one row, how much time it is going to take. Okay, so if it is one row, it is taking for 2 minutes, then how much time it is going to take for, how much time it is going to take for even for 500 rows. Okay, even for 500 rows. It's very important. So this is how we are going to see here. This is how we are going to prepare an SQL query. Now let me try to execute this. Okay, at the end, I'm going to close the braces. So this is my query. Okay, now you can see one row it is inserted. See here, we do have one row here. The same way, if you want to insert 500 rows, see, do I need to copy for 500 times? Or the same query, I need to modify the data, okay, based on this, okay, based on this, just I need to modify. So it's very difficult, right? So it's very difficult and there is a lot of time. it is going to take. So instead of doing this, okay, so we do have an option, okay, it's like bulk loading. So just see here, so how quickly we can do. So this is my database, just do refresh. This is my table, loan payment. Just give right click here, okay, just give right click. So here you can see table data import wizard. It's very important, okay, just click on this one. So here just add your file. Okay, this is my data file, okay. So it contains the data, even it contains 1K or 2K or 3K or 1 lakh or 3 lakhs, okay. Don't bother about this, okay. Just select this file wherever it is located. It's in C drive or D drive or wherever it is. Just click on this one and come down. So here you can see there is one button called next, okay. Click on next. So here, so if you want to create a new table, yes, it is going to create new table, but we do have already an existing table. It's called loan payment. Click on next. So this is the preview of table data, okay. Suppose you don't want some specific columns, yes, you can remove here, okay. This is up to you. Then click on next here and click on next. Click on next. So the data is preparing and import data file. Now click on next. See here was imported, how much time it took. It's like 10 seconds, okay, 10.673 seconds. It's like 500 rows are imported successfully. Click on finish. Now we can go to your table, okay. So whatever the table we have imported, just verify select star from loan payment. So here you can see how beauty it is. See here, we do have a data. Now I want to see the count, whether it is successfully inserted or not. Select count of star from table name. And try to execute this. See here, earlier we do have one row. We have inserted 500, then totally we do have 501 rows. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.